Reggae Boys team manager Roy Simpson remains confidently optimistic that national player Junior Flemmings will be exonerated following a recent allegation which has now left him under investigation. Jordan Fort reports.
Reggae boy Junior Flemmings is currently on administrative leave as league officials from the United Soccer League investigate an allegation that he used a homophobic slur against an opponent in the American Second Division competition on Wednesday. Flemmings' Rising FC were trailing the San Diego Loyal 3-1 close to the end of the first half at the time of the alleged incident. But the Landon Donovan-coached Loyal decided to forfeit the match before the start of the second half when their requests for Flemmings to be removed were not met.
Taking a stand, forfeiting a game with the playoffs on the line after a member of the opposing team allegedly used a homophobic slur.
The allegations have opened up a raft of discussions on several major media outlets in the United States about the issue of using hate speech in sports. But the accusations remain just that, as the 24-year-old forward has denied the offense in a statement following the game and has continued to say he did not use the slur when speaking with Reggae Boys team manager Roy Simpson.
Yeah, I spoke with him the day after the incident happened and he vehemently denied what he's been accused of. We reassured him that whatever support we can offer, we will. I also spoke to the general manager of Phoenix Rising and they said from their end that they also will be providing whatever support he needs. It's a delicate situation.
The setback comes at an inopportune time for the former Tivoli Gardens FC forward who was having a standout season this year. Flemmings is currently the league's top scorer with 14 goals from 15 matches, and Simpson admits that Flemmings is now worried about his future.
When I spoke with him, he said he was very, very concerned because you'll understand that, Junior has been having a great season and he was looking forward to move on, probably a more, bigger platform. I hope that at the end of this, it will not affect him, but he has some concern in that regard. We all can understand, the kind of emotional fatigue he might be experiencing.
And Simpson says they have not yet begun thinking about how the incident may affect Flemmings' national participation.
We are positive and optimistic that at the end of it, we won't need to cross that bridge in terms of, what if he's not or what if he is. We hope that at the end of it, everything works out and he will still be a member and will be participating in whatever we do.
One transcription of the referee's exchange with coaches of both teams showed him saying he, quote, did not hear that word, end quote, referring to the allegation that Flemmings used a Jamaican homophobic slur. Flemmings' Phoenix Rising FC will play for the first time since the incident tonight when they take on LA Galaxy 2 at 8:30 Jamaica time. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.